Although age is the largest contributing factor to a declining ovarian reserve, we also can see premature ovarian failure. The egg count you have, the number of eggs you have remaining, can also be affected by diseases such as endometriosis or polycystic ovary syndrome. Autoimmune diseases and chronic infections are also a reason why the ovarian reserve may be lowered. And also simply your individual genetics. Every person is their own unique world, and how your body changes over the years will be unique to your genetic makeup. Environmental pollution and exposure to toxic substances can also affect your ovarian reserve, as can an unhealthy lifestyle with a poor diet, excessive consumption of alcohol, smoking, perhaps consumption of street drugs. All these things have an effect on the quality and quantity of oocytes that you have. If you are young and have been told you have a low ovarian reserve, it may still be that your eggs are of very good quality, even though there are less of them. In this case, you would be a good candidate for getting pregnant via an IVF treatment.